Hello everybody and welcome back to Cruise Customs. I'm Zeph.
And I'm Audi. And today we got this beautiful 2007 Audi A4 Quattro. We're going to be doing a brake job on it. And while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and give it a nice fresh coat of paint to make them stand out.
And if you guys don't know, this is the Pirate Mobile. I will link an edit that I had done a long time ago. I'll link it down in the description. You guys can go watch it, but let's get into the video.
All right, now we got the tire off. We're going to go ahead and clean up the calipers first, since we're going to paint them. And then I'll remove the calipers, go ahead and change out the brake pads so I can paint them. So let's go ahead and start with cleaning them. We'll go from there. I'm going to use a wire brush to get the main stuff off. And then I got another smaller brush to get into the crevices of the small stuff. Get this all nice and cleaned up before I turn around, and I'm going to primer them once they're all cleaned up and get them ready for a nice shiny coat of paint. Alright, I just finished getting pretty much all I could get off with the wire brush cleaned up on this caliper. Next, I'm going to use some parts cleaner here, brake part cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and clean this down, spray it down. Alright, I've already finished up using the brake parts cleaner. So you can see already it's pretty much cleaned up. This is where we're at. I'm going to go ahead and get my tool so I can push the caliper in, push the piston in on the caliper, and then I'll clean up the inside of these calipers and get them ready for some paint all the way around. I've already put a nice little light coat of primer on here. I let it sit for about 10 minutes. Since it was a nice light coat, it's no big deal. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some black. We chose black being that this car is an all silver car. We decided that black would look nice. So with that said, let's go ahead and hit it with a couple light coats. And we'll go from there. Alright, well, they're painted and everything's ready now to go back together. You can see we don't worry too much about this stuff here, because as soon as you hit the brakes, that's all coming right off. Now all that's left is just to put everything back together. So we're going to take a little brake lubricant, put it on these parts here. Helps reduce the squeaking noises. Then same on this one here. This goes into the piston for the brake pump on the caliper, and they already come with their own new little brake sensor. So these little things here, so when it wears down to that brake sensor, it'll start sending a signal in the dash and let you know it's time for new brakes.
What's good, guys? We're back and better. It's like a couple months later from when we first shot the video for the brake calipers. I know we told you we would show you exactly what the process looked like after we were done with everything, but we didn't get the chance. It got dark and we forgot about finishing the video. So here I am back a couple months later to show you guys the exact final product of what this car looks like. So with this caliper painted and stuff, all that looking good. So this caliper looks pretty good all said and done. I know we would show you what it looked like, exact finished product. It's not look as good as when it did when it was barely painted. But hey, look, it's a couple months of wear and tear, daily driven, and you know, it looks good for what it is. It still looks amazing. It pops. You got the little accents. You see this red like we painted as we showed you in the video, and the black. And with all the wear and tear, it's been a couple months, and it looks great. All the heat and everything is trapped. It's still perfect condition except minor little scratches from like rocks, chips, and stuff like that. But hey, when you really look at it, it looks amazing and it still looks good. And funny story from that video, it performs amazing once you do everything correctly and everything looks good. It tops off the look of your car, and we just enjoyed how it looks. So hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, let's get to the outro, man. Sorry my dad couldn't be here, but we hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like how the car had turned out. It looks amazing. We love how it looks. So hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did and found it informative on how to get your car looking better with the brake calipers and stuff, go make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Come back to watch more videos. It's hot in this beautiful town. Man, we would really appreciate the help with getting this channel up and running. So thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.
What's the breakdown?